I'm good, man. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute since I've been on the channel. There's been a lot of stuff going on with this EcoBoost right here. This baby had a couple problems while I was away. We're gonna talk about that today, and we might do a little POV drive. I don't know. I'm kind of scared after the last incident. If y'all remember, here, play it back. A new Cadillac converter, and I'm breaking it in, but it's like, oh, my check engine light just came on, and it's blinking. Oh no, what the heck? Yeah, but yeah, let's hurry up because it's raining out here. Tell me, like, a lot of people don't like silver cars, but I think this looks pretty good in silver. But, oh, y'all a little wet. Let's talk about it. Alright, so let's talk about it, man. It's been about a month since I recorded, 3 weeks. Last video, I did a repair video, right? I was repairing the spark plugs because out of nowhere, I was just driving, doing my POV drive in a tunnel, hit like 3rd gear, and then you could hear it like underneath me. Then the whole system just gave out and my check engine light started flashing. So I went to AutoZone after that happened. I don't even know what the heck, like how that happened. And they said it was spark plugs. So that's that repair video. I did the spark plugs. I turned it on and it sounded good. Right? So about, I say like an hour after that, I was just driving it out, making sure it was okay. I went to AutoZone and got another check because the check engine light was still on. So it wasn't flashing though, it was just on. And it was spark plugs again still. So I was like, what the heck, how? I just replaced the spark plugs. I was driving home and my car just lost a whole bunch of power out of nowhere. I'm putting my foot down a little bit and there's just no power coming from it. And the whole thing just stalls. I ended up being able to turn it back on and drive it to the auto shop that fixed my front bumper, right? It's crazy. As it's getting checked, they said it was misfire, which I knew that. That's what happened. And they also said that there was no oil in the car, bro. Off. Crazy, bro. They didn't put no oil in the car. I was like, how? How is there no oil in the car, right? Because that video, when I did the POV drive, that same day, I got an oil change right before the video. Because I'm like, I need an oil change. It was at like 10%. I got an oil change, and then they say there's no oil in the car. I'm like, how, bro? They just did an oil change. It made no sense. I don't know, man. We had to get it towed, and they said it was burning oil fast, but there is no oil in the engine. I was like, how? It made no sense. So at the end of the day, they had to put a whole new engine in, which is crazy. Mechanic, he said the oil was flowing through the turbo or something like that. I have no clue, bro. I don't know if that's what happens when the turbo goes bad. It just flows all the oil through the turbo and takes all the oil. I don't know, but that's what he said. If that's true, all my mechanics in the comments, if you're here, please tell me because I have no clue. It ended up being $7,000 for a brand new 4-cylinder turbo engine, not used, brand new. Yeah. Crazy, man. This thing has been a struggle. So now I have a brand new engine in it, but here, let me show you on my phone. Oh, this is not a good day to do a video, I'm not gonna lie. But look, check engine light is still on because they said the new Cadillac converter, I guess that's what he said. I don't know, bro. I'm just going through the motions, man. It's crazy. Like, I just had this car for 5 months and I already got to put $7,000 into it for a whole new engine, which is crazy. But it is what it is, man. It's the past now. Definitely thankful for my parents because they definitely helped me out. Crazy. But only up from here, man. Only up from here. It feels good though, thankfully. It only has about 150 miles on it. So hopefully this car can last a while before anything happens to it again. Hopefully. Like, it's just crazy. But now we're about to go eat with the fam, and I might do a little POV drive on the way home after this. We're gonna go to get Denny's real quick. I was supposed to go out with my boys, but they said they're gonna come out a little bit later. So I'm just go out to eat with my family, and then We're gonna do a POV drive, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, man, that's what happened to the Mustang. That's why I've been gone for 3 weeks. The freaking whole engine had to get replaced because of one simple mistake. Or maybe it was a lemon. Maybe I bought it as a lemon. Who knows, man? But now I got a fresh platform, basically. Got a whole new engine. So whatever happens to this engine is on me, honestly. Now this time it's on me if I break something. If you're new to this channel, man, please hit that subscribe button. I don't know, just please hit it, man. On the road to 1K subscribers, and hopefully y'all enjoy the content. I'm gonna try to do more stuff, but I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should have bought a GT, bro. Should have bought an older GT. That's on me, though. That's on me. I'll take it. Yeah, I should have found a different day to record, but it's okay, man. As long as I get the content onto y'all, the 5 people who watching, I'm playing. But yeah, man, it's bad today, though. It's definitely bad. Good thing I don't got a GT, because I'd have been all over the road. But yeah, man, we at the Denny's. About to eat. Time to eat. We got the 2 gremlins, and then we got another gremlin, and then we got, what should I name the car, man? We naming the car right here. What should I name the car? Jay? Not a person name.
Bentley.
Bro, think Bentley? It's a Mustang. Bentley is a car. Never mind. What you call it? What you call it?
Steel.
We gonna call this the Steel Mobile. The Steel Mobile. We got the Denny's. All right, come on, Eli. All right, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. We about to end it with a nice little spin with my girl, with my sister in the car, man. Hey, hold the cam, hold the cam. I need you to record me, then record that, then record me, then record that, and then we done.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Yes. Oh yeah, that love is crazy. Now she traumatized, man. W video. Subscribe and like the video right now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Hey, if you're new, like I said, subscribe, like the video, and if y'all got any content ideas, put it in the comment section, man. Tell me what y'all think. We're gonna be back with more. Peace out.